This guide will help you install CS2 and address high ping issues effectively. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth installation and optimal gaming experience. Step 1. Download CS2. Visit the official game website or a trusted platform to download the CS2 installation file. Make sure to choose the correct version for your operating system. Step 2. Install the game. Locate the downloaded file and double-click to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions, selecting your preferred installation directory and any additional options as prompted. Step 3. Configure network settings. Open the game and navigate to the settings menu. Look for network settings and adjust parameters such as server region and connection type to optimize your ping. Step 4. Test your connection. Before diving into gameplay, run a connection test to check your ping. This can usually be done in the game settings or through a dedicated server selection screen. Step 5. Troubleshoot high ping. If you still experience high ping, consider closing background applications that use bandwidth, connecting via a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi, or contacting your internet service provider for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to install CS2 and minimize high ping issues for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your game.